Wait, the new year started, Akshara.
It's fine. It's still December. We're in the 13th month of 2025.
My goodness.
Because we are still doing
Signal Talks! Episode 8, guys!
okay. Yeah. Wishing you all a very happy December. Yeah, that.
That. What is the opposite of dick? According to Akshara, it is undick.
It's not un-L. It's L. Oh, is that what they call annulling marriages?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಧ್ಯ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ. The exact point of Signal Talks is to get
Galis out of me.
all Indian 5-star and whatever star, whatever should have
Balti. La 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 la